Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 5 deals with discount and sales tax in one problem. It says Cypress gets a takeout dinner for her doggy friends at a local restaurant. The dinner costs $34, but Cypress has a 20% off coupon. The city charges a 7% sales tax on all takeout orders. What is the final price Cypress will pay for the dinner? So I'm going to use 3 steps to answer this question. First, I'm going to find the discount, then I'm going to find the tax, and then I'm going to put it all together and find the final price. So the discount will be 20% of the $34 that the meal costs to take out. So I'm going to write 20% as a decimal, which would be 0.20 times the $34 that was the original price, and find out that there's a discount of $6.80. So if I subtract that from the $34, because I'm saving $6.80, I would find out that the dinner costs $27.20. But now I have a 7% tax on that. So I'm going to find 7% of the $27.20. I'm going to write 7% as a decimal, which would be 0.07, times the $27.20 that the discounted meal cost, and I would find out that I would have to pay $1.90 in taxes. So to find the final overall price, all I have to do is add the $27.20, which was the discounted price after the coupon, plus the $1.90 in sales tax. If I punch that into a calculator, Cypress would have to pay $29.10 for her dinner.